Right now we are going live on YouTube and LinkedIn. For people who can see us live, please come on the chat. What's your name? Where you from? And when was the last time you went to the gym? Right now. One second. Let me. Okay, looks like we're successfully live on YouTube. For people who can see us, let me see. Let me double check LinkedIn. Yeah, you can see me live. Just say hi in the chat. Let me also confirm. If everybody can use this background. Okay, cool. All right. So let me see who else is here. We're officially live on YouTube. Let's see if we're live on LinkedIn. If you see me live, say hi in the chat. What's your name? Where you from? And when was the last time you went to the gym? I love to find out more, learn more about you guys. Let me see. Okay, cool. All right, so I see, yes, we're live here. Awesome. Okay, great. So I see people live with me on my Zoom link as well. Ahmed and also Alexandro, how are you? Hello, let me see. Let me see where last time when the gym was on Thursday. That's great. This is awesome. Ahmed from Saudi Arabia. What time is it in Saudi right now? Hello, Alexandro. How are you? Yes. Let me see who else is live with me on LinkedIn. Dr. Mohammed, how are you? Rashad, perfect timing with the competitive job market. Having a strong PM resume is crucial. Looking forward to learning how to stand out and get noticed by recruiters. Welcome. Yeah, great to see you as well, Lim. So excited about the session. Yes, welcome, Lynn from Kenya. And last time when Jim was 8 months ago. Good for you. Actually, much better than me. And I didn't go to the gym for over a year once I was pregnant with my second baby. And last week I started to go back to gym. Okay, so not that late. I think everyone has a shorter gap compared with me. Yeah, we'll talk about how to send a resume, and people, there's a way you can email my team to send your resume and they're gonna send you a Zoom link. Okay, great, cool. All right, so let's get started. Welcome guys. This is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product featured in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land the dream PM job offer in fan companies and unicorn startup, continue to get promoted as a product leader. If you're interested in product management training, go to our website, pmaccelerator.io, and learn more. And now let's do our free live resume review and also share with you guys how to get on the Zoom call with me. Okay. I have 2 people on the Zoom call with me right now. We're going to get to the resume right away. Let me bring up my slide deck so that you know how to submit your resume as well. Let me do it here. And now let's get started and share the screen. Okay, we're gonna do live resume review. Let's get started. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. And now, first of all, let's share an inspiring story for all of you guys. And then in this today's very competitive job market, it's important to hear how other people was able to use the right strategy to make it happen, so that you're getting continuously inspired and pushed towards your goal as well. So I love to share our student Pei Yun's story. And actually herself was doing sales in a startup, and she quit her job. And actually last year, January 2023, that was the worst time to quit her job, to be frank. January 2023, that's when all the big tech companies announced layoff, huge amount of layoff. 89,000 people was laid off, okay, around that time. But she made a very bold decision. She quit a job at the worst time of the market as well, because she literally really hated her job. And then guess what? She was able to land a PM job, transition from a sales in a startup and become a PM in a renewable energy company within 2.5 months. Okay, so here is her strategy. Number one, she immediately create her portfolio, repackage her past experience, transferring her past experience from sales in a startup into product management. Okay, number two, she also used lots of networking strategy to get her profile noticed. Okay, so in today's job market, it's very critical. If you're not able to land any PM interviews or you're not even able to pass the first, maybe second round interviews, was because you didn't use the networking strategies. Okay, so and even if you have perfect resume written, nobody reads your resume, it's a waste of opportunities. Okay, so today we'll teach you guys how to create a peer management resume so that you can use the same strategies that your profile getting reviewed instead of from the competition. Okay, so and people all also ask questions. Hey, what if I have an upcoming interview with free resources and should go to this website? I'll take a screenshot right now and pmaccelerator.io/50fan. Okay, so that is going to take you to our website. Let me also put it in the chat so you can download the most asked interview questions as a product manager. And even if you're not interviewing with fan companies, you can directly go use the same database because even OpenAI use the same interview questions database. Okay, and like other startups use the same interview questions database as well. So therefore, I recommend everybody just say use the same thing, and because they all look up using very similar kind of interview style, even if they are not fan companies as well. So go to this website and download the 50 interview questions database and get started. I also see Sarah from Ukraine. How are you? They're saying hi from YouTube. And Shutosh, greeting from India. How are you? And then resume from, yes, we can see a comment from YouTube as well. Yes, feel free to push all your comment here. Yes, I can see everyone's comment. Awesome. Okay. Hi, Holly. How are you, Holly? Everyone must follow Holly, and Holly is big on YouTube and LinkedIn. I really love Holly. Okay, she's someone I really admire. Yeah, I want you to follow Holly's content. And cool. And now let's continue. Right, cool. All right. So now people ask how to get free resume review. Go here, email my team info@pmaccelerator.io, and then in your email, make sure to describe the email title as free resume review - date of attending masterclass. Free resume review, date of attending your masterclass. So what is a masterclass? Which is where we teach you how to create a killer portfolio within 2 weeks that will land you any PM job offer, AI or traditional. Even if you're laid off or you have no experience at all. Okay, you can just go to this website, pmaccelerator.io/masterclass. I may also put it in the chat here. Yeah. So basically it's on our homepage. Either you can go to PM Accelerator homepage, or you directly go to pmaccelerator.io/masterclass. It's the same thing. Okay. All those are leading you to the same place. And now let me emphasize the importance of attending our masterclass. The masterclass teach you how to create a portfolio in 2 weeks, but land any PM job offer, AI or traditional, even if you're being laid off or you have no experience at all. Okay. So the masterclass really use very different strategies to stand out from the competition, given we all know today's competition is very severe. But guess what? Last month, September, I negotiated another $510,000 in the tier 1 company as a PM. And we also had last week, someone also emailed me saying that she also landed another $600K job offer as well. Okay, currently we have students trying to go after the $700K job offer in Netflix as well. So my point to you guys, yes, even if you may not be senior PM, but there's a lots of great opportunities, but they're only available for the top candidates. So therefore, I want people to go above beyond. Do not just submit a resume online. You should use networking strategies. You should also create a portfolio. So in our masterclass, teach you how to create a portfolio. Okay, you should definitely go and check it out. Okay, and if you already finished your portfolio this training, and we want you to get prioritized to review your resume, so they have a resume ready, portfolio ready, and you go through your interview process directly. Okay, just go here and pick any time that works best for you. Okay, cool. All right. So now let me do this. Now let's do our live resume review. Oh, by the way, make sure to go to our Product Insider podcast. We recently launched our own podcast. Very exciting. We have the VP of Product and Senior Director of Product from Google, all those very, very exciting companies, and Head of Product from TikTok to give a talk in our Product Insider podcast. You definitely listen to when you're on the drive or when you work out. Actually, when you work out, you listen to podcasts as well. Okay, so it's important to continuously learning. Okay, so now let me bring up my and hold on, my resume. My team have pulled up all the resumes for me. Let me put it here. Let me put it here. One sec. There is a link. My team had it for me. One sec. There is the resume folders. Okay, grab this. Oh, by the way, the masterclass link is also in the description of YouTube videos and also the LinkedIn post as well is all there. So everyone should get the same link. Okay, so let's, oh gosh, storage 8% left. Let's figure out. Now let me pull up people's resume. Let me see who is here. Ahmed, can you turn on your camera? Let me see which one is your resume. Your resume is not here. Ahmed, your resume is not here.
It's the one top. LLIW. I don't have camera on here.
Okay, cool. Can you quickly introduce yourself?
Yeah, just Ahmed, a lab engineer and researcher. I have multiple certification with Google AI stuff related things, machine learning, and yeah, I've been training students on machine learning topics using Vertex AI. And in my daytime, I work as a lab engineer, so I design models in order to predict things that's in the lab, in the laboratory.
Okay, so looks like I have lots of AI experience. Let's take a look at your resume. Um, I assume you want to become AI PM?
I'm trying to get into like AI job with in a company, yes. But so far I'm working academia.
Let me confirm. You're saying that you want to be AI job, like AI PM job or AI engineer job?
Uh, I could work both, not a problem.
Okay, so I only specialize in PM. I cannot help you with AI engineer. Okay. Let me share with you regarding AI PM part.
Okay.
What's
So
missing?
I've attended the
Say it again.
sure. So I've started taking the IBM product specialization. So I've got many concepts from that.
Okay, great. So let's take a look at your resume. Um, I'm confused. Are you saying that you are at the school, doing research at school? Is currently what you do?
Yes. So I'm full-time researcher and part-time student. So I'm doing two things at once.
I see. Okay. Uh, By the way, I'm not gonna put this on the work experience. Number one, taking training from Udemy is not a work experience. Number one. Number two, we all know that Udemy course is like $10, $20. I don't know, very cheap, very inexpensive. Okay. So which means the bar,
Audacity,
the
actually,
barrier of
not Udemy.
what? Say it again.
It's Audacity, it's a scholarship, not Udemy.
Okay, same thing. So my point is the bar of entry to take a course at Udacity is very low.
Okay.
Okay. So therefore, it's not like, hey, I went to Harvard. Yeah, let everyone know you went to Harvard. So this Udacity, lots of people can pay, just again attend, or you can get free scholarship. You attend the bar. My point is bar of entry is low, not like Harvard or a like as example, right? So it's not I pay to Harvard to get in. No, I'm sorry, your grades are too low, you cannot get in. So my point
Okay.
is the bar of entry for Udacity is very low. So doesn't make you stand out from your competition, actually pulls you down. Because if they think, oh, you think you take a very low bar of entry courses that qualify you to become AIPM and you put it on the work experience, which means you set your bar really low as a professional as well. So this is gone. If you want to say it, you take a course from Udacity, you can put it towards the last line. Okay. But just not at here. Not like on the work experience taking training from Udacity, just far off. So now let's take a look at what your AI experience you had. Research and engineer center. Now I know why. I know why you couldn't land AI PM job or AI engineer job. Because there's no AI here. There's no
Yeah,
AI here.
yeah, mainly laboratory related matters here.
Yeah. Taking training
Because
doesn't really qualify for job, to be very frank. But
yeah,
here, do you work on AI at all in your job?
so the AI is the 20%, the 80% is this one, what I mentioned here. Because mostly I spend my time in the lab. Then after that, I work with models afterwards. So I didn't mention that specifically because it's within this thing inside, you know. So
Hmm.
within the patent, there is AI. Within the two research review papers, there is AI there.
But where is your 20% the AI part? I don't even see AI as a word on your resume.
No, you see the research papers, there is the kinetic modeling part. Kinetic modeling, we use machine learning to do kinetic
So
modeling.
which line? Which line? Under what? This? Under this
No.
experience?
If you see at technical skills, kinetic modeling,
Ah,
kinetic modeling is done through machine learning and AI, but related in the chemical engineering field.
okay. So here's what I want you to do. If it's done by at least you should make like ML, machine learning. If you use AI, you need to use the word AI as well.
Okay.
You should say it, use the techniques, but how the techniques is used in your work experience. So
So
which
I
part
have to,
of things you mean this? This is AI part, kinetics of this?
yes, yes, because I have to predict the reaction kinetics using ML models and stuff.
See, your ML model wasn't even show up here.
Yeah, because it's just that that's the title of the paper, the patent. It's not related to the, uh, I mean, the kinetics part is a tool. We use AI for it, but the main title of the paper will be kinetics, not the
Okay,
AI,
I see, I
because it's
see.
chemical engineering paper.
Okay, and in that case, other part of your description need to have AI, chemical, or AI, machine learning, more specific thing, not just one thing here. We
Okay,
need
so you see, I
more.
mentioned
We
here
need more obvious.
machine. You see, machine learning applications for fluid catalytic cracking. So that's a paper as well.
They want to see work experience, not just paper. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm here to tell you how to stand out from the competition. I'm also here
Mm,
to tell you why you're not selected for any AI PM job or AI engineer job. Okay.
okay.
So even for AI, even if I don't specialize in AI engineer, but in this level, I can tell why on earth you do not even land AI engineer job. Okay. So now the reason is it doesn't have any AI keywords. If you create a model, you can say create like a machine learning model for ABCD things. If you have fine tuned any model, you should set fine tune ABCD, whatever large language model or any kind of model, or fine tune any like ABCD models about things like this. If you have built like ML ops, you should say create ML ops for da 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 da. If you
Yeah, I get
already
it.
have built a rack, you can say build a rack to Okay, if you build a transformer, you should say build a transformer to to predict A, B, C, D different thing. Nothing's here.
Okay, they need to see the keywords, you mean?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the whole thing, everything I just described earlier will help you to land both AI PM jobs and also AI engineer jobs.
Okay, thank you.
You're missing it completely. Okay, now PM's part is also missing. PM want to see conduct a voice of customer interview. Like I don't see it here, and writing requirement I don't see it here. Create product strategies and roadmap I don't see it here either. All I see is I took a course from Udemy or Udacity, and it's free. So this can be rewritten, and putting the scales here is doesn't make the cut either, because didn't show me the real AI ML keywords as I mentioned. ML ops, fine tuning, large language model, all of those are missing. Okay, so I highly recommend you completely rewrite the resume. This resume is not going to land any AI PM job or AI engineer jobs completely. Okay, but through those, for you to do more advanced research, looks like you did something about the AI things, are also taking lots of like resources, like learning about the AI stuff. So therefore, good job. So you are continuous learning, but how you present your outcome on your resume, it need to be completely written. So now let me share with you some free resources. Everybody, and go to my YouTube channel. Come here. Okay, so everybody go to my YouTube channel. You can search Dr. Nancy Lee. Okay, straightforward to my YouTube channel. Okay, once you get here, there is a playlist regarding the Product Manager resume tips, which has all the keywords you use, especially this latest one, the resume keywords you must watch, and all other, like we also have senior PM resumes examples people must watch. Okay, these two, and depends on how senior you are, but keywords and also like resume examples and tips, so that you can use the same kind of language put on your resume as well, with all the I have written sentences you can use to create your resume. Okay, so it's everything is here. Everyone must go and start on like examples right here. Okay, it's please watch those, and those are the fundamentals. And after you watch this, you should go to the in the description of the video, you can click this. There's a link where you can download the resume template that been used by 14,000 product managers. Everything's here. Okay, so go here. Let me post let me post a resume template everyone can use and directly leverage. Okay. Let me post in LinkedIn and TikTok. You can go there. This is live. It's not a kind of live. This is live. Okay, so now, yes, please watch a free playlist which has everything you need about how to create your resume. We talk about all the principles and the keywords, what kind of keywords to hit, and everything's there. Okay, cool. Now let me go to the next resume. Alexandro, let me see. Which one is yours? Is this one? Hello? Can you unmute yourself and introduce yourself?
Sorry, yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, can you turn on your camera if possible?
Sure, one second. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing well. Can you tell me about your background?
So I have a master's in data science, which is heavy in machine learning. I went to, I studied for a year in London. I studied machine learning in general and back in a background. I currently work in tech as a support engineer. I've done it for several years at this point. So I was trying to transition. I never really wanted to become a data scientist, but I still wanted to kind of work in the machine learning AI space, and I started looking into becoming a product manager, and I have been looking into it for the last. When I realized that a lot of the jobs I've had over the last couple of years, I've been working with product teams and kind of handling a lot, maybe not all at once, but a lot of the aspects of being a product manager. That's when I kind of got the idea to do it. So I, in general, just wanted to make that switch, and I, have done my best to kind of present that in the resume.
Great, looks like very determined to become a PM now. Let me go check it out. You need to. What's missing is here. Okay, so the description is too short. You should add more. And all those projects, I think you're wasting space. If have why you need such big space for certification? You can make it condense them, or make them connect them into several lines, into maybe 2 lines. Maybe they only 2 lines. You can summarize everything you have. And then save the space, talk about something that's way more relevant. For example, good job, you hit some keywords regarding product backlog, like different kind of backlogs, whatever, or things like here. You should have at least 5 bullet points.
Okay.
Ideally 6. You should double. So each of these should double. This should double, and this should double. The space coming from all those, like, maybe even education. I don't know. Maybe put it in 1 line. The name of the college, put in the same line. And everything is 1 line. 1 line. That's it. You can save lots of space. Everything down below is just like not very helpful. You can save lots of space. Okay, the content in your work experience is way more important, especially being working since 2008. There should be more things you can describe for your past experience. For example, on your resume, you said you have achieved this critical resolution, effective this is fine. This is more like achievement. For example, this 2 may be achievement. So what you need to add more is that you said you have starting working on lots of PM related tasks, right? For example, did you propose product features on the roadmap? If so, you should have a bullet point, propose product features, or 5 product features on ABCD product roadmap. You should finish the sentence, right? And then did you conduct voice customer interviews, and especially your support, like all the support people you talk to customers, right? So which means that you already collect the feedback, conduct the voice customer interviews to understand the pain point. Then you should write another bullet point regarding conduct voice customer interview, understand the pain point, and turn the pain point into engineering facing requirement, right? So this is missing. And did you work on, for example, like a cross-functional team? If so, you should describe working a cross-functional team of 5 or 10 engineers, designers, create product vision, And did you work on roadmap? For example, even if you're not driving the roadmap, but did you work on things towards prioritizing product roadmap based on the needs from customers and urgency, all of those, right? So those are completely missing. So that's why you need double. You have 6 lines. You should double everything you wrote here, and everything put here. For example, these are just keywords. Keywords. Those are just like achievement. Those are achievement is fine. That's totally fine. I like it, right? But you're missing more keywords, and the description is not enough for people to understand what exactly you did. And then you waste lots of space talking about something like this. It's like huge space wasted. Project. Is this only capstone project you did? Did you have real engineering team?
It was on us to go get engineers, but we didn't actually build it yet. So we're still looking for someone to actually build it.
So basically, whatever course you took, it just say, hey, here's what to do on the book. So you never had the engineering team to build it.
No.
Okay, you need to build it. Okay, you need to have a team to build it so they can talk more regarding a real responsibility, building a real AI product. You should finish it.
Okay.
Okay, that's what's coming. Because right now, if you go out for AI PM jobs, people ask you, so another theoretical study never land a job. You ask yourself, why people pay you $500,000 to hire you and you never build a real hands-on project, right? So you need to continue. You need to finish on building your own product, and
Okay.
then you can enrich this experience. Okay, so that's the main thing we are lacking right now.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, so for people who's interested in the AIPM bootcamp, we have our own. We recently launched our own AIPM bootcamp. Lots of people discovered that late. All right, let me share my screen so people know what's about. So inside of AIPM bootcamp, we teach you how to become product manager, teach you all the golden framework regarding what is product management. But most important part is you have a team of developers help you to build your own real life product. And you should also will also help you launch your own product. So because when you go out for interview, people will definitely ask you questions regarding, so tell me what the challenges have you faced when you launch your AI product, and all those questions are that need to be gained in real life experience. Okay, so therefore go to our website pmaccelerator.io and then scroll down. We have PMA Pro, Power Scale Leader, AIPM. You can click AIPM and check it out. Okay, so that's what you need to learn. And we have our curriculums. You can go and download and learn more. Okay, so yeah, just go to our homepage. You can see all the 4 different programs we had. Okay, cool. And all right, and then by doing this, you should like check it out this, and also take our free AI PM workshop to learn more regarding how we launch 8 AI product within 8 weeks in our first cohort. Now we're already having second cohort. If anyone's interested, you can pre-register or go into waitlist, learn more about third cohort to build your real life AI product. This is the only way actually become AI PM without hands-on experience. That's really, I'm being very sincere with you guys. If you can find your own developer, do it for free. But I guarantee you, if you don't really build it, you just have a theoretical product, you won't land any PM jobs. Seriously. Do it for free. If you need us to hire a developer for you, you can join us. If you want to do it for free, all by yourself. But we teach you the best methodology. Okay, because I talked to hiring manager from like OpenAI, like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google to ask them, hey, what it takes you to really hire someone as an AI PM? They say, we want someone already have experience. If you only have theoretical ideas, that doesn't make the cut. Okay, so yeah, go to our homepage and learn more. Anybody who's learning how to do it for free by yourself, you can go to our website, pmaccelerator.io/AIPM. You can go check it out there. Okay, cool. Let me also put it in the chat in case people is interested. Okay, cool. Now, this is what's going on. Okay, so now let me give you. We finished all the live resume review. Here's how to get. Oh, let me show. People are too late and join me. So let me share with you regarding how to do the live resume review. Email my team. Hey guys, email my team right here. People ask this question. Email my team. This right here. Everyone take a screenshot. Email info@pmaccelerator.io, info@pmaccelerator.io right here. Take a screenshot. And your email title should be free resume review and also the date of attending the masterclass. What is the masterclass? Which is we teach you how to create a killer portfolio to land any jobs in AI or traditional PM job. Even if you're laid off, you have no experience at all. Okay, so and which is the same website we had earlier. Right here, you can go to our homepage, pmaccelerator.io, and then the homepage will automatically take you to the masterclass. You can directly come here. And in the description of the YouTube video and LinkedIn Live, it will also send you a link back to our website on the same place. You can sign up for the next free masterclass. Click the home, like the button on the home page. It's gonna send you here, same place. Okay. So we prioritize people already went to masterclass because in the masterclass we teach you how to create a product portfolio, and then you have product portfolio ready, have your resume ready, and you should go out for interviews right away. So that's why I want to make sure that you finish that first, and then we have any other time, extra time, we review everyone's resume. Okay, you just say the sequence is based on when you attend masterclass. So if you have attended, just let my team know. Okay, and email my team. Make sure to email my team. So my team is going to send you the Zoom link. And put all your resume ready for me to do live review. Okay, cool. All right. So now we finished. Everyone who's already with us on Zoom, please put in the comment in the chat if any other questions before I log off. And I also really appreciate anybody who already received resume review from us. Please share any of our content, our YouTube videos or LinkedIn posts, and tag me. I really appreciate any appreciation and help you can get from our free resume reviews, so that we can have lots of people discover our organic content and share anything of your favorite, which would be fine, and tag me. Really appreciate. Okay, cool. Now put your questions in the chat. Let me know any other questions you guys have. How can I get my resume reviewed? Yes, email my team. I send you the email address, info@pmaccelerator.io, info@pmaccelerator.io. So you have a free resume review opportunities. Just go send it over there. You have everything you need. Okay, cool. All right, so looks like I answered all the questions. Anybody who, yeah, if we don't have any further questions, and I'm going to log off, and yeah, directly email my team to do live resume review with me next time. So let me do the last sharing in case people are late. This is take a screenshot and email my team. Right here. Right here. Okay, and then it will help you directly to join me on Zoom, and also upload your resume to Google Photos so we can review as well. So everything's right here. Okay, cool. All right. Let me see. Do I have any other questions? No, so looks like we don't have any further questions. And in that case, I am going to see you live in my next week's live resume review. So it's always 1:30 PST, EST. I have two other questions. Actually saying, Dr. Nancy, how can you show practical experience through resume? Cool. And practical experience in resume. Yes, I will show you how to do it. I also have another question. Natasha said, hey, Dr. Nancy, I just saw this notification about this live. I'm also filling out to speak to Shia. Is the resume review included, or should I do it here? Okay. Yes, after you talk to my team, you can directly just schedule free resume review through here in our YouTube live. And inside the PM Accelerator, you have one-on-one resume review with my coaches. We also teach you how to write your resume with like 6 pages of sample resume template, and you have lots of training. Basically, you have hours of examples and training and template, sample examples, and you can use and write your resume, and then you schedule one-on-one resume review with my team directly. Okay, and you don't need to join this live. These are already my students. Okay, this is for people who are not our students. That's why we give people free resume review, tell them what went wrong. Either way is fine. If you want to join both, like one-on-one resume review with my team, you can do it. And if you still want me to review your resume, you can just tell my team to sign up for your free resume review through your weekly YouTube live or LinkedIn live. Okay, either one is fine, Natasha. Cool. So let me answer the prior questions. Akshay said, how can we show practical experience resume? Great question. So let me show you. Let me do this. Where is my practical experience through YouTube? Through resume. So let me show here. Okay. So number one thing, if you have any practical experience, number one thing I want to share with you is this. Take this training. Okay. It's mainly think about how much your past experience relevant to PM. That's the number one thing most important. Okay. So the way to identify how much past experience related to PM is by watching this video. Let me go to my playlist. Let me put here. Let me search. Okay, you search what does the product manager do on my YouTube channel. Okay, this one. This video, what does a product manager do in Google, Facebook, TikTok, all those companies? And watch this. Okay, gonna share the video in the description. So once you watch this, you are going to identify what experience is most relevant to PM. Okay, so let me copy this video. Let me put it in the chat so you guys do it. So number one, identify your experience related to PM. Okay, then let me, oh, my computer is so slow. One sec. Okay. I think the message is passing through. Okay, great, cool. Okay, so watch this video to help you significantly regarding what's missing. Okay, the ideation phase, the MVP, and also product launch. Okay, so those three phases that's relevant to PM. Once you identify those, you need to repackage all your past experience using the PM keywords. That's the most important part. Or people doesn't understand how much we did before is relevant to PM. So I will do this. So all the PM keywords are in this video. I have a playlist, Product Manager Resume Tips right here. Master Product Manager Resume keywords leading to Product Manager interviews. Okay, that's definitely like number one most watched videos regarding all the keywords you need to put on your resume. Okay, and then to understand your experience with all the PM keywords, that's how you show your transferable skills and that becoming a PM. And cool. And let me do this. The rest is good to go. Let me go back here. Let me share this video link in the description. One sec. My computer is very slow. So those are free trainings. You guys can watch right away. So my computer is so slow. Wow. Okay, so now let me take the next question. Can I have 2-page resume for 8 years of experience or split or else it should be 1 page? Is there anything good? Is there any good way to identify? Okay, so 8 years experience, you can use 2 pages, no problem. You can also use 1 page. My resume is only 1 page. I only need a 1-page resume. Okay. However, the number of pages is not as critical as all the PM keywords and the content the hiring manager is looking for. So if you feel like it takes you 2 weeks to really understand like what did you do regarding product management? And yes, you can do 2 pages. So it's less about the numbers. Of course, I don't recommend going anything beyond 2 pages. Even if you have lots of years experience, going beyond 2 pages is not necessary. We're showing that you don't know what to prioritize. Okay, so 2 pages is fine, between 1 or 2. Just think about the content first. Okay, cool. Let me see. Have I answered all the questions? One sec. My page. Oh, my it's not loading. Let me refresh. Somehow the question is not loading. I think Zoom is eating up my RAM right now. Okay, let me refresh my page. I cannot see new questions. Yeah, put your questions in the chat. Okay, so let me go to, I may not be able to see your chat, by the way. Is the LinkedIn page just crashed? Let me see. Can you guys still see me live? You can see me live. Say hi in the chat so I know I'm still connected. Oh. Where? Let me go. One sec. I'm having some tech issues. So it's still loading. Feel free to put your questions in the chat. So that so we have more important things pop up at the right time, right place. Oh, I think. Okay, I think I can see. Yeah. Okay, finally I can see the comment now. Okay, so do we have more questions? Yeah, I can see finally the comment is loading right now. Just restart my browser. Okay, so is anybody here have any other questions? Oh, AIPM. Yeah, I was right. There are more questions here. I can see more questions. Okay, so Lukeman, what skill set are required to become AIP? Oh, great questions. Okay. Number 1 skill. You need to be able to understand end-to-end product management lifecycle skills as the AIPM. It's very different than the traditional product management. The number 1 skill, AI product management, end-to-end product management lifecycle skills as AIPM. Number 2, you need to be able to make technical decisions about AI. But now, technical decision doesn't mean that you already know how to write a code. Technical decisions means that you know what model to choose. In what situation you will jump to a different model. So there are so many different kind of existing large language model, which one is strengths and weakness, how to make technical decisions, right? For example, in our first AIPM bootcamp cohort, as I mentioned, we launched a product within 8 weeks. It's a real product people can directly log in and use with real user engagement, right? So when people develop that technical product as a product manager, our product managers is trying to use image generation model to take a picture of someone's kitchen and turn it into like AI remodeling of your kitchen. Okay, so image to text and text to image, those kind of conversion. To make it happen, there are 3 different kind of existing image generation model, like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, right? All different kind of models in the market now, and also Midjourney, those 3. Okay, so which one would you choose and why? Right, so those what I mean by technical decision-making process to create your own AI product, understand what those models and what are the best practices in the industry. The third part regarding AI PM is that you must understand different kind of like AI jargons. Like when people talk about RAG, do you know what's about? When people talk about transformer, do you really know what's about, right? So which means you need like the AI jargons out there. Okay, so the 3 key skill sets very critical. And of course, you must have hands-on experience, because talking about I memorized what is RAG. You can Google it. Who doesn't know how to Google it? What is RAG? Okay, I have a description, memorize it. Means nothing. Do you know the AI PM is getting paid 30% higher than traditional PM? I'm publishing a new video tomorrow, actually revealing all the AI PM resume, the salaries actually significantly higher than any traditional PM, 30% higher. Okay, so who pays you 30% higher? It's but someone who take a course? No. It is someone who actually led a team to really develop and build your own real product and being able to talk about which model to talk about, and also your challenges creating those models. So now let me ask you the question. Based on the use case I described, like take a picture of your kitchen and turn it into an AI regenerated like a interior design model, which one would you choose? Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion? Which one? Come on the chat if you know the answer. Why? Right? So most people don't even know which one to choose. Based on the real life case scenarios, how would you be able to pass the interview? Because people are going to directly like ask you those questions. Okay, so have mastered those 3 and those 4 things I asked you master, which is very important. Actually, I have a free resource for all of you guys to understand all the AI jargons. I have those 3 courses. Let me go to here. We have those free courses. Let me share my screen. And let me share my screen, and you should be able to go here. Right here. If you go to, we have a playlist. Oh, right here. Hold on, wrong. Let me go to YouTube. My computer's really slow. Okay, so go to my YouTube channel. There, I have lots of free content regarding the AI jargons you must learn. Okay, so go to my YouTube channel. I have AI PM playlist. Where is my AI Product Manager playlist? Okay, so you go to any of our the videos about AI PM, and for example, the only 3 ways to become Gen AI PM, right? You open this link in the description of this video. You're able to directly download the top 8 courses, top 8 recommended AI courses for you to learn the AI jargons, so they get ready to really being able to talk about breaking into AI. You can go to our website, pmaccelerator.io/AI courses, and start learning those top 8 courses. I personally have studied. I find it really useful to learn all the jargons for AI PM. Okay, so come here. Go check it out. Okay, so and then any of my YouTube videos in the AI playlist have the link to it as well. Let me also post in the description so you guys can directly learn those like free resources. Post it here. Yeah, basically pmaccelerator.io/AI courses. Let me. This is so slow. My yeah, the LinkedIn website is crashing so slow. I should be able to send. Okay, so anyone else put more questions here in the chat before I log off? Yeah, number 4 is all the AI jargons you need to learn. Okay, cool. Let me see. It is beyond work session by the interviewer in the resume. For example, beyond work mentor 60 professional transition to product management, consulting, and consulting 200 members. Session related career guidance, handle 1,000 community assistant product managers, publish newspaper, to content. I don't understand your question. So put all the relevant experience. Yes, if you think those are your relevant experience, you can put it under like sounds like your project. This is your project. It's not real work experience. If your project, and yes, you can directly just comment for your project. You can put it on the separate like related project experience or leadership experience. You can make it on the leadership experience as well. Okay. Cool. All right. Oh, you told the number 4. Okay. So now there's 3 things. Let me recap. Understand the AI product management lifecycle skills. Number 2, making the technical decisions of AI. Number 3, understand the AI jargons. And number 4, being a really work on a real life product for AI product. That's the 4 things. That's the skill set needed as an AI PM. Cool. Okay, great. Looks like I answered all the questions. I don't see any new questions. Okay, great. Let me confirm. YouTube as well. Okay, so looks like I don't have any new questions. All right, and everybody, thank you for joining me. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. Yeah, I think I am. My Zoom is weird. I don't even know I'm stuck or not. Can you guys even see me? Can you guys see me? Okay, cool. Okay, so now, for all the question that feeds through the internet, I might have missed some because the internet was stuck. Okay. All right. So for people who is here today, make sure to like this video and share this video, or share any of our organic posts on LinkedIn or YouTube. I love to see, and tag me. I love to see all of you guys being very engaged, and also have more people in engaged with our organic content. Okay. So this is Dr. Nancy Lee. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our upcoming free live training. For people who is already registered for the masterclass, I'm going to see you live in the masterclass, and also for lots of free resources. Feel free to go to our website, pmaccelerator.io, to learn more. Okay, we have podcasts, lots of free template. Everyone should go and start learning for free. Awesome. Okay, talk to you guys soon. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. Bye, guys.